So, hi, dear Aries. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 29th of June till the 5th of July 2026. 29, 30, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Yes, July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you. Oh my goodness. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਜ਼ਿੱਦ ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਨੀ ਮਿਲਦੀ Okay, let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, I have the Knight of Swords. This is somebody who feels like a very restless kind of energy. This kind of energy of, okay, I have to charge on something or someone because of anger or frustration or some kind of I have to do this right now only. It's like a very immediate, very sharp, impulsive kind of energy. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords as their feelings for you. We have the Lovers and the Nine of Wands and the Five of Swords. Okay, so this is someone who feels like there's a choice or a decision that you guys have to make in this situation, and they feel like not giving up on the situation without giving it a tough fight. There might be choice between you and somebody else, and or you have to choose between them and somebody else or something else. But this person is feeling very restless, very impulsive, and they are very stressed out because things are not going well according to them, and they feel like clearing the air with you or doing something in this direction as quickly as possible because they are not able to take it anymore. The stress is killing them. The not being able to make the choice, the decision in this dynamics is kind of killing them. So this is making them feel very, very restless and very, very anxious. And they feel like before they are going to give up on the situation 100%, they should do whatever it takes from their side to get the proper answer, to get the proper clarity. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? We have the Two of Cups. From your side, you feel like there's a partnership, there's a collaboration, there's a situation that is very, very close to your heart and soul. It's something that's very close to family. There is a bonding, there's love, there's cooperation, there's affection. Let's clarify the Two of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation. We have the Hierophant, the Fool card, and the Chariot. Okay, so for some of you, Aries, you guys feel like moving on towards different commitment or marriage or partnership. If you guys were already married and you had a connection with somebody else, also now you feel like taking care of your marriage, and or something related to commitment or maybe belief system or cultural background is there that is making you feel like you should move forward in that direction. So you're leaving something or someone behind in order to be with someone else, or you are choosing something really meaningful, something really deep, and something really uh, collaborative over something that's not there for you, or that was not there for you in that manner. So the other person might take it as a betrayal or something, but you are choosing the right kind of energy for yourself. Okay. So before we are going to proceed further, let me invite you to my 10 days Osho meditation festival that's happening from 5th till the 14th of July 2026, 4:30 till 5:30 p.m. And we are going to work on your inner child. We are going to work on trauma release, and we are going to have a lot of fun. These are going to be totally different meditations that you have done till this point of your life. It's going to be a lot of fun, lot of energy exchange, a lot of like I am going to share my experiences too. And the previous batch was a very beautiful batch, like it was a hit. So now I'm doing it for 10 days because 7 days was not enough for people to properly get the knack of it. So 4:30 till 5:30 p.m. and the fees is 5,100 for 10 days program. It's quite affordable. For others, it's $300. No recordings will be provided because I'm not allowed to record Osho meditations. But this is going to be a lot of fun and lot of healing and lot of energy exchange. Okay, if you want to start your spiritual journey or healing journey or restart it or enter into Osho's world, this is a very beautiful chance for you guys. Link is in the description for the same. Read all the instructions and everything properly before you guys are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable. I'll see you on the other side. Very, very excited to see you again. See you guys again. And again, in the sense, this is my second batch. So that's why I'm excited. I'm going to share the reviews also in my post, in the community post, again and again and again, so that you guys can see it. And I'll see you. Take care. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aries? We have the Queen of Pentacles. Their intention here is to have a very collaborative and mature and grounded kind of partnership or collaboration, maybe based on money, maybe based on finances or something. Just give me a second, honey. Yep. Hmm. So they want something collaborative, something mature, something grounded. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles as their intentions. We have the Five of Wands and the King of Swords and the Moon card. Yes, this person wants to clear the way, clear the air with you from every possible angle. There is no, there should not be any kind of ifs or buts or conflicts or chaos or anything like that. And they just want to clear the air with you regarding everything that's hidden, that's secretive, that's mysterious. And if other people are also involved, they definitely want to settle things with you in a proper, mature, grounded and subtle way, because things are going out of hands and they're becoming restless, and now they're not able to take it in a positive way. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? We have the King of Cups. From your side, you just want to be emotionally very, very grounded and content and mature. You want to handle the situation with a lot of love and compassion, instead of making it look like a tug of war or something very brutal or something very difficult to deal with. You want to handle the situation with emotional maturity and compassionate kind of energies. Let's clarify the King of Cups as your intentions in this particular situation. Let's see. We have the Knight of Wands, the Ten of Cups, and the Four of Cups. Yes, you don't want to get involved in a situation that's on and off, in and out, that's not leading to anything beautiful, anything meaningful in the coming future. And you just don't want to disappoint yourself and or the other person here. That is why you want to handle this situation with emotional maturity and compassionate kind of energy. And you want to make yourself understand that this is how it should be, and the other person also, you want to make them understand that this is how it should be and this is how you guys are going to take it forward from this point onwards. That's the deal. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 5th of July, Aries. Okay, come on. Sure. We have the Page of Pentacles. It's like a brand new beginning, a brand new offer, a brand new opportunity to start or restart something from scratch, and making sure that this time you guys are going to keep it very stable and safe to go ahead. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you guys. I have the Page of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, the World card, and the King of Cups. This is going to be a completion of a cycle. A cycle is going to be completed between you guys, and that is going to lead to another start another start in your life. Okay, I do see you closing one chapter with someone else and starting the moment you're going to close one chapter with someone, you guys are going to start or restart a brand new chapter with somebody else, and there's going to be a lot of emotional contentment, emotional happiness, and emotionally grounded and mature kind of energy, and a feeling of this is how it should be and this is how it is going to be from this point onwards. It's going to make you feel very much content and at peace, and and this energy of okay feeling that you are making the right choice and right decision here, and finally you are reaching to the point of satisfaction in your love and relationship area. So you are closing you are ending a very difficult chapter and you're starting a really beautiful one. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Aries. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Five of Cups. Yes, make sure this start or restart that you guys are having is okay. You are not going to get disappointed over the fact that things are going very, very slow, or things are not going exactly the way you want them to go. Take things really very, very slow, and everything is going to be fine with time. The kind of growth and expansion and happiness that you guys are looking forward to have, it's going to take time and a lot of patience, Aries. It's not going to happen overnight, it's not going to happen in one day, but it will happen when it is supposed to happen. So make sure you are not going to get disappointed over little like small things and little things, and you're not going to be in this energy of oh my god, things are not working out, things are not moving fast, things are really very slow. You chose to make things really very slow, so you should have patience and you should have the courage to understand that the situation is going to take time in order to be something meaningful the way it should be. Okay, try to understand that point. That is going to be much more beautiful and positive for you for the long term. Let's see, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. Aries, this portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. I have the choose a new direction. Choose a new direction. Okay. This card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you are going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.